There's clearly a standard that is emerging, and maybe standard is too strong a word, but I don't think that wave or even tidal wave is too strong a word to talk about SharePoint and what we're seeing happen in the industry with it. Clearly, every organization from the smallest to the largest either already has SharePoint or they have an initiative to bring SharePoint in. Quite often, it's being driven by the requirement for an enterprise content management system, something that traditionally in our space has really been difficult to achieve. There have been content management systems for legal, for accounting, content managements for your quality systems and your regulatory systems. That was driven to some extent by just the best technology that was available in the past. SharePoint's a real game changer in this area. We now have a platform available to us that is going to allow you to mix controlled and uncontrolled content in a very viable way that offers that Microsoft end user experience that, let's face it, we're all used to from working in the Windows world, and maybe even more importantly, from working in the Microsoft Office world. So the ease of adoption is something that makes a lot of sense with SharePoint. And so, again, we are just seeing every single company that we deal with start to, if not purchase a SharePoint solution, at least want to talk about a SharePoint solution to us. That's really the thing that has driven us to develop yet again another platform within the QMOS family. We've offered most of the major platforms as they've come along, and now with the SharePoint solution, I think we're really, really well positioned to address this. Once again, I'll go back and use the word tidal wave that we're seeing of SharePoint breaking over the world of content management in general, but I think again, a real game changer in the pharmaceutical, biotech, in the life sciences space in general. It offers kind of the best of both worlds. It's a platform, especially with SharePoint 2010, that we now feel can be validated in a very cost-effective, timely manner. But it's going to allow everyone in the organization to work within the same platform. And I think equally importantly, one of the really big game changers here is it's going to allow your external partners to now play in the same kind of environment, something that's been extraordinarily difficult up till now. There have been issues around firewalls and IT security and things that just made it not viable to allow, for instance, your CROs, your entire manufacturing supply chain, your external vendors. It's been very difficult to let them into your system and collaborate effectively with them on documents. SharePoint changes all of that. There's offerings that exist in the cloud, hosted by third-party companies, that are going to allow you to place documents into a neutral repository, but collaborate on those documents. We're going to have solutions that allow you, in fact, to place SharePoint repositories within your own control, but in a way that, once again, using some of the very cool SharePoint technology, is going to allow you to collaborate really, really effectively with this entire ecosystem of external partners that exist. So I think that we're going to see an awful lot about SharePoint in the years ahead.